I'm holding 2 wallpaper rolls because I'm going to wallpaper that blank wall behind me. It looks really bare, and so I am going to put an accent wallpaper on it. Now, I've never done wallpaper, so I chose a really easy way to put wallpaper. These are Peel and Stick Wallpapers, and I'm gonna try them out. They're supposed to be really easy. You're supposed to just peel it like a sticker and stick it on the wall. And if you don't like it, it doesn't damage the paint or anything. So there's no commitment here. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what design I picked. So the design I picked is baby pink. It's really light pink, and there's a little bit of gold branches on it. So here's the wallpaper. Here's a close-up of what the material is like for the wallpaper. It's vinyl, so it's not actually paper. It's kind of plasticky but stretchy. Very stretchy, so it's not going to tear easily. Sticky, but I don't think it's going to leave any residue because it's the good kind of adhesive. And we're just going to get started. I think the only thing that you need for this project is the wallpaper and also a box cutter or an X-Acto knife. I have an X-Acto knife. I forgot to mention we also need painter's tape because you need to lay down the wallpaper there and align the patterns before sticking and committing to the placement. There's instructions right here. You should probably read it. It says measure the height and width of your wall. This will determine how much TemPaper you will need. Pre-cut the panels to the height and width of your surface. So we gotta pre-cut this. We need more stuff. We need a measuring tape. Updated items that you need for this project. You need painter's tape, measuring tape, and a box cutter or an X-Acto knife. And now we're ready to do the wallpaper. First thing we're gonna do is measure the height. Alright, let's cut these. So now,
to smoothen it.
yeah,
The
Right
roll.
here? Yeah, the soft one on.
Yeah.
The soft one on. Para hindi magasgas.
I have a sponge right here, and I'm just going to use it instead of my palm to smoothen the wallpaper. So I didn't peel it all the way. I only peeled it a little. And then I'm going to keep peeling it as I go down. Like this. Peeling. As we get near the bottom, there's going to be a little bit of an overhang. And we're going to cut that later. You can see there's a little bit of an overhang. Just gonna cut this with an X-Acto knife later, but I'm gonna wait till I do all the wallpaper before I start cutting. There's an electrical outlet over here. We're just gonna open it. I have rubber gloves on, so I won't get electrocuted. We gotta take this off, and then we're just going to put the wallpaper over it and then cut right here and then put this back on. Check this out. Here's some progress. The wall is basically done. I just have to trim the bottom part and trim where the power outlet is. So now we have to trim this bottom part. I have an X-Acto knife, and then I'm just going to Draw a line right here. Then just peel. You can see where the opening is. We're just gonna cut around that. Just like this. Just carefully. Then it reveals. And we're gonna put the cover back on. Just like that. Moved all the furniture back, and this is the finished product. I think it looks really cute.